everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, color analyst, and we have moved to Gangtok. And this is my first video we are recording Gangtok. We have moved to Sikkim, Gangtok, and it is just so awesome. The place, the vibe, the food, the people. But there is a catch. As a tourist आते हैं, things are different, and when you try to settle down, things are absolutely different. And there are a lot of things you try to adjust, you try to understand कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. So settling is a different, and it's going to be all about the skincare empties जो इतना कबाड़ा मैंने पूरे अरुणाचल से बंद करके बॉक्स में डाल के यहाँ लाया so that I can record and shoot. So there are the amazing products which I have used from ages, and they are going to really work well for your skin as well. I can literally blindly trust them, guarantee for you guys कि आप इसको use करो and see the magic of these. If you're thinking कि मुझे skincare में invest करना है, these are budget friendly, these are great. And I'm using these from past 6-7 months. तो आज मैं empties दिखा रही हूँ. कुछ products new हैं which I'll definitely be pointing out, but there are some which I'm using from a very long time. So they're absolutely amazing, and you must give it a try. I love perfumes, so I have a lot, and these are like the generic perfumes which I feel like trying in and there for my everyday use. These are basically when I'm hitting the gym, when I'm at home, when I'm about to sleep. So I try these kind of perfumes for something occasional, something where I have to be more presentable. I use the designer ones. So we'll start with net. This is Plum Body Loving ka pistachio one and the caramel. Vanilla and pistachio, both are such stunning fragrances. I like them, but the only issue is the longevity. Maybe it doesn't last long on me. It can be lasting a lot on you guys, but they are great fragrance. Now my very personal favorite, that is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. Oh my goodness, it has that almond note, pista note. This is amazing, and this lasts like ages. आपके कपड़ों में 2-3 दिन भी आपको smell आती रहेगी. If you have not washed it, post washing भी you will get the smell. So this is a really nice fragrance. I really like it. I want to get the full bottle now because मैं test कर रही थी, and it just won my heart, and I want to do a full bottle now. This is Carolina Herrera Good Girl, amazing. Then I have two of the Nykaa ones. One, not two. They both are the Wanderlust Jaipur वाला. Very citrusy. ये ज़्यादा last नहीं करता. 2-3 घंटे. Then it won't last long. So this is something जो आपको बार-बार reapply करना पड़ेगा. So with skincare, we'll start with the first element of skincare, that is face wash. So this is my absolute favorite. This is Foxtail, the Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser. This is amazing. It definitely helps you to get rid of all the residue even after washing it with an oil cleanser. So this does help. I'm on my 5th bottle. This is really cool. It really gives you that squeaky clean look without taking away the moisture from your face. So this is amazing. Next, followed up by Conscious Chemist Daily Resolve. I'm on my 3rd bottle now, and this one is just fabulous. इससे सब कुछ निकल जाता है. Hard, non-transferable makeup and everything. You just need few drops. It's like a oil, but the moment इसका waters के साथ contact होता है, ये foam में बन जाता है, and it's very easy to get rid of. So it's one of the most amazing product I have used and highly recommended. Go for it in budget. And I have one sunscreen, and it is, I'm on my 10th 12th bottle. This one is the Fix Derma Shadow Gel Sunscreen 50 SPF 50. This is one of the best sunscreens that I ever used. Since right now I'm in a very cold region, so मुझे इतना इसके हिसाब का रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि I can use any kind of cream sunscreen and it's going to work. But I was living in Northeast. इससे पहले I was in Arunachal. But वहाँ पे climate बहुत humid होता था. Anything, it feels so sticky. But this guy, it used to just dissolve in my skin, and I never felt like I'm wearing a sunscreen. I don't know why this is not being talked about. Why influencers are not talking about it. ये सबसे अच्छा है. I don't know लोग इसके बारे में बात क्यों नहीं करते हैं. This is my personal favorite. I recommend it to everybody. Even मेरी बेटी है, उसको भी मैं ये लगा के देती हूँ स्कूल जाते टाइम, because this is very gentle on her skin, and we both love it. And now my husband is also in the same game, so we are the gang, and this is something highly recommended. You can definitely try. Then we have one body lotion. This is Nykaa ka Love Struck Hidden Blush. A beautiful scent. You can definitely put it on once you're done with your shower, and the smell lingers throughout the day. This is a beautiful post-bath cream. But right now I have shifted from perfume body lotions to more AHA, BHA exfoliating creams, sunscreens, body sunscreens. तो ये अभी ख़त्म हो गया है, but I may not be purchasing it again क्योंकि कोई use नहीं है. I've shifted to more to other elements of skincare. But it's nice when it is a date night or you're heading somewhere special. So post bath you want to retain that smell. So this works, and इसके ऊपर आप कोई भी body mist लगा लो and it's going to work really well. So this is cool. A few hair things. I have two very amazing empties. This is a hair serum और जैसे Livon का Evolve version है. This is Gloss Ultimate from Tresemme. I have a very okay review. ये कुछ ज़्यादा करता नहीं है. Like it says that it tames frizz, but मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि it's doing anything. तो मैंने इसके बाद इसको खरीदा नहीं है. A product which I can literally rave about, which just literally does the job of keeping your hair in place. This is L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. I want to buy the full size now. मैं छोटे वाले के साथ try कर रही थी how it is, and it is a bomb product. It tames your hair. It makes it look super amazing even after all the frizz and all. So this baby does work. So you can definitely purchase this if you're planning to get a hair serum or something that to tame frizz, to make your hair look better. This one is the best. So yes, those were the skincare and all the Kabada empties because I literally keeping them, or I can say keeping it safely. मैं तो वहाँ से जब मैंने packing करी तब भी मैंने ये लाया, and my husband was like ये क्या है, why are you bringing all the empty stuff, throw it in the dustbin. But I was like नहीं, मुझे video बनाना है. So that is the case, and I have shown it all कि ये सारे चीज़ें आप literally blindly खरीद सकते हो. They are going to give you amazing results. There will be more skincare products to come. I will be showing you my nighttime skincare, even my daytime, so that works because my skin is skinning. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. I usually upload my videos on Sunday 6 p.m. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.